Helen. Hello, kitties. What's new? I was just in the middle of my deadly dozen. First, I do a few pull-ups, then a few jumping hacks, and then I like to finish with a little die impact aerobics. Hey, I'm getting in shape for tonight's tale. It's about an ambitious young actress who's looking for her big break. Will she make it? Only her hairdresser knows for sure. I call this dismal drama Beauty Rest. Good old Helen. Talk about an opening night. Now that's what I call a horrid body. Well, I gotta get back to my workout, kiddies.